Alright, let's look at the homework 6.2, problem number 1. Alright, so we want to find the volume V of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by these curves. Alright, so if you look at this guy, this is 4 square root of 9 minus x squared. So that's, if there's no 4, that's just going to be a semicircle. And a 4 is just going to apply a vertical stretching. Alright, so it's a vertically stretched semicircle. And a y equals 0 is just the x-axis. X equals 0 is the y-axis. And x equals 2. Right, so let's try to find the correct picture. Alright, so you have a semicircle. It's going to be centered at the 0, so it's going to be either first one or the third one. Alright, then looks like it's going from x equals 0 to 2, and y, actually this is probably the one, right? Actually there's a key there, so you know that that's the right answer. Alright, then if you rotate this guy about the x-axis, you're going to get a solid which looks like this guy right here. Or actually, no. Let's see. It's 1 to 2. And this one, let's see. This guy is, it's a 0 to 2. This looks okay too. What's the difference between these two? Let's see. Oh, actually, so this one, there's a cylinder in there. Okay, so that's the difference. Alright, so this is the right one. Alright, then we want to find the volume. Alright, so let's find the volume. Alright, so the volume, so this is going to be a disk method. So it's going to be, volume is going to be pi integral, so it's gonna, x is gonna go from 0 to 2. Alright, function, so 4 square root of 9 minus x squared, and the whole thing squared dx. Alright, so if you multiply it out, you're gonna get, let's see, 4 squared would be 16, so I'll just put 16 outside pi. And then you have an integral from 0 to 2. And if you square root, square root is gone, so you have 9 minus x squared. And with respect to x. Right? Then we can just take the antiderivative. So 16 pi, just a constant. And antiderivative of 9 is 9x. Antiderivative of x squared would be x cubed over 3. And then you're going from 0 to 2. Right? Then you have a 16 pi. And plug in 2, so that would be 18. Minus, plug in 2 cubed would be 8 over 3. Right? So this is going to be 16 pi. Right, take the common denominator would be 3. Right, 3 times 18 is 54. Right, minus 8. So this is going to be 16 pi times, let's see, 46 over 3. Right. So this is going to be 16 times 46, and 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 1 is 6, so it's going to be 9, and 4 times 6 is 24, 4 times 1 is 4, so 6, so you have a 736, right, and so this is going to be a 736 pi over 3. Right, so let's type it in, and it's actually, the answer is there, 736 over 3 pi. Alright, so let's just submit. Alright, Submit for testing. Alright, it came back, and of course these were all correct. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.